A spring-loaded return in a toilet lever stops continual running water by forcing the handle back to a neutral position after each flush. The spring-loaded mechanism is a small coil or flat spring placed where the handle meets the flush arm so that once you press down, it automatically pushes the handle back up, keeping the flapper or canister valve from staying open. When installed correctly, the spring provides consistent tension so the handle cannot rest in a partially depressed position that would keep water flowing into the bowl and down the overflow tube. For best results, match the spring type to your lever geometry. A coil spring works well on straight pivot arms while a flat spring suits compact, close tolerance assemblies. Adjust the spring tension by moving its anchor point or using a different spring length until the handle returns fully without requiring excessive force to flush. If your flush arm is bent or the handle socket is worn, replace those parts first, because a new spring cannot compensate for misaligned metal or plastic. Periodically lubricate pivot points with a silicone-based lubricant to prevent corrosion and gumming that can reduce return force over time. Common mistakes include using a spring that is too weak, which allows the handle to sag and leave the valve partially open, so swap to a slightly stronger spring or shorten the active length to increase tension. Another issue is improper routing of the spring, which can catch on the tank lid or other components and bind. So reposition the spring so it has a clear arc of motion and test the full stroke before reassembling. The third concern is assuming the spring fixes a worn valve seat or flapper, but if those parts are degraded, the spring will only mask the problem. Replace the flapper or valve assembly when you see mineral buildup, cracking, or persistent leakage despite a properly returning handle. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project resources focused on practical fixes like spring-loaded returns for toilets. We host a discussion community where users and contractors exchange advice, compare parts, and share step-by-step experiences to help you and our pros find the right solutions.